Pero since mahuhusay nga kayo at talagang ang alam ng research team namin na napakagaling nyong kumanta, eto na, maglalaro tayo ng Sing the Song Challenge. Okay, so pwede kayong pwede kayong magtulungan.
Call a friend,
Oh, call a friend. Pero sa isa't isa lang, wag ako tatawagin nyo dyan. Host lang ako. So, simulan na natin to. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, for John. Sing a song with a color in the title.
Okay, Coldplay. Yellow.
Okay.
Yun yung title nun, di ba?
Sing it.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. And all the things you do. And it was all yellow.
Wow! Ang ganda naman ng boses niyan. Okay, tuloy-tuloy na natin to. For Shaira, sing a song with a number in the title.
Number sa
Number.
title. Ay, Ariana Grande. 34, 35, na, na, na.
Yung
Yan.
naisip ko lang, yung naisip ko, one, you like a dream come
Sa
true.
title daw kasi.
Title, okay, not paying attention.
Tama
Okay,
ka
ano
na.
ba?
Ayan. For John, ito naman, sing a song that reminds you of summertime.
Para sa sa laking Disney dyan, yung naisip ko talaga yung High School Musical 2.
Go
Yung
ahead.
What time is it? Summertime. It's our vacation. What time is it? Party time. Yeah, right. Scream and shout. Thank you.
Here and now. Biglang ganon.
the
Ito
trio.
na, for Shaira, sing a song that reminds you of someone you would rather forget about.
Call a friend. Medyo iba yung mga naiisip ko. Medyo for the hugot na siya.
Di ba yung standard naman talaga, si Nina? Yung, someday, you're gonna realize.
Pwede. But actually, naiisip ko din in your eyes.
Oh, sige nga.
Yung second stanza doon, like, they told me that life changes and that no one really knows whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow.
Pag Thespian ka talaga, yung lyrics talaga yung mo.
Iniintindi
mo.
Oo,
Pinanghawakan mo
grabe.
yun siya.
Eto naman, next, for John. Sing a song by an artist no longer living.
Billie Jean's not my lover. She's just a friend. Girl who thinks that I am the one. But the kid's not my son.
Ayun. Galing.
Ay, scoop.
Kaya nga. And for both, sing a song that would do it with on the karaoke. Ayan. So, yung kakantahin ninyo sa karaoke.
You said DEH, Dear Evan Hansen.
Wow, DEH. Sorry naman.
Alam mo yun, alam natin to.
Only
Oh, yes.
Okay. Dahil musical. Dahil musical siya.
Go!
It's also from a musical.
Yun yung pitch mo? Ano?
Ay, may pitch pang pinag-usapan.
It'll be us, and... Yun yung pitch, no? And only us.
And what came before won't count anymore.
We can
Try that, you and me. That's all that we needed to be. And the rest of the world falls away. And the rest of the world falls away. The world falls away. The world falls away. And it's only us.